2025 Honda Ridgeline. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows. Visit us to take home the car of your dreams.